In Power BI desktop, we will be doing three important things. One is cleaning up or shaping up of the data, then data modeling using DAX functions, and then finally report building. The main activity is cleaning the data or shaping up of the data. We use Power Query Editor to do that activity, and Power Query Editor can do anything because the data will not be the way you want, but you can shape the data the way you want using Power Query Editor. For example, if you look at this small table which is containing only one column and one row, and it is containing dates consecutively but with a space in the same row. Now I want all these dates one below other in different rows in the same column, and I want to use split column option, the same thing which we use in text to columns in Excel and where we use the delimiter. So here the delimiter is space, so I'm just using split column option. There I'm selecting delimiter, and then in the dialog I'm selecting the delimiter has to be space, and then each occurrence of the delimiter, then the split need to happen. And the important thing is in the advanced options I say please let it happen in the rows. Now let us review again. So this is a single column and single row having all the dates in the same row, and I want to bring all the dates in separate cells or separate rows in the same column, so that there is a delimiter when space is there, and then I want to make sure that it has to happen, each occurrence need to be split, and then it has to be in rows. And if I press OK, magic happens. You can see the dates are now properly being changed. So not only splitting, but the change type happened. So each data is now, each date in separate row. So that way you can do many things using Power Query Editor. So keep using Power Query Editor, and if any questions, please let me know, and so that I can answer your questions. You can put them in the comment section, and please like it and please share with many so that they can also start using this kind of tricks in Power Query Editor. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.